Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be preparing Semiya Kheer or Payasam. So let me start with it. For this I am going to use 1 cup fried Semiya and 2 to 3 cup milk and some dry fruits to prepare it. So first you need to heat a 2 tablespoon ghee in a deep pan and add some dry fruits into it and roast it for 2 minutes in a low flame. Once it is roasted, take them into some other bowl and in the same pan add around 2 to 3 cup milk. Now I am going to add 2 cup milk into the pan. After adding the milk, you need to stir it continuously until the milk starts boiling. Once the milk starts boiling, you need to add the 1 cup Semiya into it. Boiling at least 2 minutes. After that, once the Semiya cooks properly, you need to add around half cup sugar into it. So again stir it until the sugar dissolves into it. Now I am going to add some dry fruits into it. So I'll mix them into the payasam. Along with this, I am going to add another 2 tablespoon ghee. So that's all. The kheer is ready.